Hey, good morning, Pat. Seekins Operations with the Rocky Mountain Area Type 1 Incident Management Team. And here to give you an update on the Tamarack Fire again this morning. Currently sitting at 82% containment. So once again, a lot of good progress still continues. So we'll start up here in Branch 1, Division Kilo, just south and east of Burnside Lake. Everything looking really good. Once again, this containment line has been in place for quite some time. Looking very good and secure on this whole northwest corner east of Hawkins Peak. As we go east, south of Crystal Springs, no issues or concerns. We've had a few engines in here just doing some mop up and some patrol, but looking very good south of Woodford's and everything south along this perimeter here. Moving east of Highway 89, no change. Everything's looking very good all the way east, all the way to Highway 395 here. So no change here on the north end, fully contained where we have secure black line all the way to Highway 395. So as we move east, once again, no change. Everything's looking very secure around Spring Valley and east of 395 and all the way down to Holbrook and all the way down where the fire edge goes to the west of Highway 395. No change. Everything's looking very secure. You may see a little smoke here, and then over the next couple days as things dry out, just an unburned island. But once again, everything's very secure around here, surrounded by previously burned black area. So no issues there. Moving west, north of Leviathan Peak, this perimeter is completely secure all the way around Leviathan Mine. As you go west, no change. Everything's looking really good and essentially locked off on the south side of the fire edge all the way to Highway 89 and continuing on to the south into Division Tango. We added some additional containment down here, so a lot of good work got done here with the crews and some helicopters here. So this piece of line here, as well as a majority of the south end of the fire, will be in patrol status. Crews and engines will be patrolling around as needed and making sure that edge remains secure. But once again, no issues or concerns on the south end of the fire. So moving southwest, this is where we move into the steep, rugged terrain. Once again, where we start to get into Division Alpha. Just steep, rugged terrain. Very little heat right here, but as we come around here, there is some isolated pockets of heat inside the fire perimeter here that will be looked at. We've got some wildland fire modules in here. Just taking a look at options and making sure this fire edge remains in that confined area in between all the natural barriers of a lot of rock that's limiting fire spread or potential. So that'll continue today here in the southwest corner in Division Alpha. Once again, things are looking really good, and they're currently everything's staying within those natural barriers. And those isolated portions of the fire here in Division Alpha may start to see a little more visible smoke in a couple days as we slowly dry out early next week, but that'll continue to be looked at and assessed as needed. We are moving on this side of the fire, moving towards a suppression repair group. Their focus has been on repairing a lot of these dozer lines and suppression containment lines and fixing those roads and dozer lines with crews and heavy equipment just to fix some of that repair. So that'll be going on here just along the Leviathan Road on the north end of the fire. And then we have a group south of Woodford's and in and around Highway 89 here, and some hand crews around Markleyville. And that's where we're at.